Welcome to the JWK show. Thank you for tuning in, and big thank you as well to crypto exchange BITUNIX. Check them out by using the link in the description below. Yesterday we had crazy things happening in the markets. We had the CME halt as we had silver having a short squeeze, making a new all-time high. And we can see, guys, we do have historic things happening to the silver chart. We can see we have silver hitting around $50 back in 1980 and again back in 2011. And now 14 years later, we have silver again hitting $50, but in fact, now going up even higher. So with a massive breakout coming in for silver breaking above the level of resistance ever since 1980, we should see silver moving up even higher, the short squeeze continuing to squeeze silver higher. So right now things are looking very bullish for precious metals, as we have been talking about, since we are heading back towards a precious metal backed system. And we do have silver soaring to $57 for the first time in history. And this is something that BG123 has talked about. We have 589, we have comics, and we can see that this is silver as well. So it seems like we do have the metals reset coming in. We also have cobalt, Nostro, Swift, liquidity, and so on. So we are waiting for the rest of these to also play out as well. We have the ISO 20022 migration and Xrp soon to replace Nostro and Fostro accounts. And take a look at this. We have BG123, it seems like, wearing the Monopoly Man suits. This was, we can see, back in 2000, Hallmark created a special Christmas ornament for Monopoly's 65th anniversary, and look what the Monopoly Man is wearing. So it seems like we do have the connection to the Monopoly Man, exact same hat as well. Red tie, black suit, 3 buttons, and so on. So massive find from Not Financial Advice Crypto. And we also have Mr. Monopoly in gematria matching with Arthur Brito. So could BG123 be Arthur Brito? And with reference to Monopoly Man, will we see Xrp holders getting very wealthy? And on top of that, we have Xrp in gematria is 58, and silver we have 85, which is 58 in reverse. And so could we see silver hitting $58 next and eventually $85? And it seems like Xrp might be connected to silver. So taking a look at the charts, we can see silver continuing to move up higher. We have Xrp also trading at $2.21. Xrp moving up as well, as we had silver moving up. So will we see Xrp moving up alongside with silver, or will we see the liquidity from silver and gold, precious metals, moving down into stocks and cryptos, making stocks, cryptos go parabolic? Now, according to Polaris and his Xrp Insider charts, we had a big day coming in on November 28th, and yesterday we had the CME halt. Absolutely massive day for the markets. Now, based on the Xrp insiders, again, the next big day should be December 10, and we could see Fed rate cuts happening during this day. And we could see, based on the Xrp insiders, a big macro event happening as well. So definitely watch out for December 10th. We also have just in Coinbase, Bitcoin premium turns green. U.S. institutions are, which means U.S. institutions are buying again. And we have JP Morgan moving Bitcoin into the $318 trillion bond market. And this is by launching a new structured note that gives investors exposure to Bitcoin through BlackRock Spot ETF, which is IBITS. And this matters because it pulls Bitcoin directly into the traditional bond and fixed income system, a $318 trillion market. So this means even more liquidity towards Bitcoin and overall, which is bullish for cryptos, as we see crypto market following Bitcoin. And this means we have Bitcoin entering mainstream finance. Banks are building Bitcoin linked products. Bond markets are opening paths for Bitcoin exposure. Institutional portfolios are adopting Bitcoin slowly but permanently. All very bullish. And talking about the price of XRP again, the XRP charts, we can see back in 2017, we had XRP having a 3-month cooling off period before having a 25x run. And we also saw a retest of the 20 EMA as well. So right now we do have the exact same thing happening as well, the exact same setup. We had a huge breakout happening last year, a 3-month cool off period towards a 3-month 20 EMA retest. So this means that if we follow historical data within the next 3 months, December, January, February, we should see a 25x coming in for XRP. Very, very exciting. And we could see a big move coming in as well, as we do have a breakout coming in for XRP. We are monitoring the situation very closely. And lastly, we have just in UK government to crack down on crypto tax avoidance in 2026. And we should see the exact same thing happening in the US, as we have cryptos going absolutely parabolic in 2026, blow off top, mega bull run. And obviously the government wants a piece of the pie. They want your taxes, they want a piece of your profits. So obviously, if you don't want to go to jail, definitely file your taxes. That's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Or you can also borrow against your XRP, use your XRP as collateral.